was awesome. I mean, I learned quite a lot about your aerospace landscape here in UK and the progress you made, so that was really interesting.
So SPACEtalks has brought together really quite diverse organisations. So we've had people who come from real deep technology backgrounds who are practitioners and inventors of technology themselves, and then we've had the investors who have an interest in that. And then we've had a lot of voices from the public sector, from government, from organisations like the European Space Agency ourselves, from those who are the conveners and the organisers of the community and the clusters around the UK. And all of these people are now starting to work together, and we're getting a feeling of a community coming together.
The most valuable aspect of coming to SPACEtalks is really the connections that we make with each other. It's the people that work across the industry in different ways for different companies coming from different perspectives. Together we're going to do things better and we'll go further.
Very much enjoyed it. I think lots of interesting talks and fun panels.
It's also a good place to be, and a lot of interesting, memoirs coming from the space era.
There's a lot of networking and coffee chats between the inputs to also get to be able to chat to the speakers, to exchange thoughts.
This is not my first time at SPACEtalks, and I've come back for a reason. And it's interesting, if I think about the very first morning, before the first keynote, I'd already had 3 conversations with potential customers maybe, but certainly worthwhile conversations with people I'll certainly follow up with.
I really enjoyed the conversation about regional clusters today, and to think about the variety of industry, of universities, of facilities that we are starting to produce.
That was extremely enriching. Actually, it's the first time that they chair a conference like this, and I was thrilled at this idea, and it was really useful. What I found really interesting out of this event is the mix that you have managed to create.
Well, a great, perfect opportunity to network with such audience and such involvement, and knowing what's the interest in the space sector and looking at it from the different perspective, from the government to the investors and the private sector and the startups. Definitely has been a great day, and a great day for space in general.
My focus here today has really been on that global race and how the UK has got to pull some levers to think of it more like a startup and focus on our USP. And I think it's really powerful actually to have this event hosted by ESA in the UK. Big questions about ESA going forward. I think it's a huge strength for the UK space sector that we're in ESA, as long as it remains open to us and non-EU members.
So I had the privilege to be the session chair for the whole of the second day and also to close the first day. So I had the opportunity to see all of the speakers over these 2 days, and the diversity and the interlocking nature of all of their presentations. Well, I've been happy to host the SPACEtalk and brought new connections for us, and I look forward to doing more events together in the future.